Imagine, if you will, a world where the ground stretches out flat and infinite under a dome of stars, not a sphere but a plane. What if everything you were taught about the Earth's shape was, according to some, a grand deception? Dive into the realm of the flat Earth theory, a perspective held by a group that sees the world not as a globe, but as a flat disk. Central to this belief is the idea that the edges of the Earth are surrounded by an ice wall, which holds the oceans back from spilling over. Supporters argue that if the Earth were truly a globe, the waters of the world would be curved, not flat as seen on the ocean's surface. Moreover, they challenge the concept of gravity, proposing instead that objects do not accelerate downwards due to a force pulling them, but rather, the flat Earth accelerates upward, driven by a mysterious force called universal acceleration. On the flip side, centuries of scientific research and observation support the spherical Earth model. The evidence is overwhelming and multifaceted. For starters, there are satellite images and photos from space that clearly depict the Earth as round. Astronomers and physicists point to the way objects behave in space and how predictions based on a spherical Earth model consistently match observations, such as the pattern of lunar eclipses and the visible constellations from different latitudes. Furthermore, the phenomenon of ships disappearing hull first on the horizon and reappearing mast first can only be explained by a curved surface. Geologists bring into play the science of plate tectonics, as pioneered by figures like W. Jason Morgan, providing a framework that only makes sense with a spherical Earth. Some flat Earth proponents suggest that all images of the Earth from space are fabrications, a part of a vast conspiracy orchestrated by governments and space agencies. However, this claim lacks substantive proof and fails to account for the independent verification by amateur radio operators and hobbyists who launch their own high-altitude balloons and rockets, capturing curvature with non-governmental equipment. In wrapping up, this exploration into the contrasting views on our planet's shape underscores the critical importance of scientific literacy. Understanding the methods of science, the rigorous testing of hypotheses, and the peer review process helps us navigate through misleading information and arrive at conclusions that are not only logical, but also empirically sound. In a world brimming with information and varying perspectives, embracing scientific literacy empowers us to discern fact from fiction, fostering a society that values and understands the natural world through the lens of evidence-based science. Remember, the shape of the Earth is not just a matter of opinion. It is a conclusion derived from centuries of scientific exploration and observation.